In this today's video we are going to discuss on personal branding. In today's digital age, building a personal brand has become essential for professionals to stand out and succeed in their careers. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a freelancer, or a job seeker, having a strong personal brand can help you establish credibility, attract clients, and land your dream job. So, in this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about personal branding and how to build a successful personal brand. So let's understand these things section-wise. Section 1. Understanding personal branding. Personal branding is the process of creating a unique identity and reputation for yourself. It involves showcasing your skills, experience, and personality to the world in a way that resonates with your target audience. A strong personal brand can help you establish yourself as an expert in your field and build trust with your audience. Section 2. Define your personal brand. The first step in building a successful personal brand is to define your brand identity. This involves identifying your strengths, values, and passions. Ask yourself what makes you unique and what sets you apart from others in your industry. Once you have a clear idea of your brand identity, you can start crafting your brand messaging. But the biggest question is why personal branding is important. Personal branding is important because it's the way you present yourself to the world. It's your unique identity, and it helps people remember you. A strong personal brand can help you stand out from the competition, gain credibility, and attract more opportunities. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or an employee, personal branding can help you achieve your goals. Section 3. Craft your brand messaging. Your brand messaging is how you communicate your brand identity to your target audience. It should be clear, concise, and consistent across all your marketing channels. Your brand messaging should include a clear value proposition that explains what you offer and how it benefits your audience. It should also showcase your personality and brand voice. Section 4. Build your online presence. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for building a personal brand. Start by creating a professional website that showcases your skills, experience, and portfolio. Your website should also include your brand messaging and a clear call to action. You should also create profiles on social media platforms that are relevant to your industry. These platforms can help you reach a wider audience and engage with your followers. Section 5. Create content. Creating high-quality content is a great way to establish yourself as an expert in your field and showcase your personality. Whether it's writing blog posts, creating videos, or hosting a podcast, creating content can help you attract and engage your target audience. Make sure your content is informative, relevant, and consistent with your brand messaging. Section 6. Network and collaborate. Networking and collaborating with others in your industry can help you build relationships and establish yourself as an authority in your field. Attend industry events, join online communities, and reach out to other professionals in your field. Collaborating with others can also help you reach a wider audience and create more valuable content. Section 7. Measure your success. Finally, it's important to measure your success and track your progress. Use analytics tools to track your website traffic, social media engagement, and other metrics. This can help you identify what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. Conclusion. So there you have it, everything you need to know about personal branding. Remember, building a strong personal brand takes time and effort, but it can be a game changer for your career. Start by defining your brand identity, crafting your brand messaging, building your online presence, creating high-quality content, networking and collaborating, and measuring your success. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a successful personal brand. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.